the one who gon' throw it away cause I'm feeling too lonely up here. I ain't the guy who gon' break from the pressure. It's snowing, my pipes are not frozen up here. I don't wanna hear about these YouTube rappers. I am not in that bracket, punk. Billboard plaques all stacked in my mansion. $1 million cash for my taxes, punk. Call me trash when I produce anthems. Y'all attacking with plastic guns. I'm the biggest independent rapper in the fucking world. You just live on my planet, punk. Got an acid tongue and massive lungs. Every single track I've done is packed the punch. Used to be an addict, yup. I crashed a truck in Canada. Going too fast, blackout drunk. I was nice at the start, but the mood all changed. The reactors who trash me for views are lame. Don't ask me to help you, remove no claims. If I see you punks, you go lose your chains.
Oh, you mean you're gonna like go mid range? Alright.
Good. I'll get one after the next one.
Good, we don't want you thirsty.
How come I got no log?
I don't have time to write raps, replying to trash. I'll be the whole team, yeah, they trying to grab the concrete, but my team ain't trying to crash. My liquor for months and never be over. That's what I'm drunk, mix the whiskey with soda. The man I become would invite you all over, put drugs in your punch when you pass on the line. You in plastic and nickel with hammers and fire, your skull is crushed. I don't name names, I don't play games, I just aim spray and throw the guns. The rappers who hate act like family now. They try to jack my style like some handy games. They want $1 million views, they want a Grammy now. And they close for time as they Grammy sells. I don't even drink, but I'm planning how I can make a brewery in a massive house to give free booze out to these rapping clowns, and they can die using that to wash shammies down. I'm the most successful guy to hold the fence, I've been great for so long. I'm bored of flex and I became a machine. I've been the greatest for so fucking long. So much clout I can buy back the soul of these rappers that sold them for cash to the devil. Why is everybody always talking shit? Criticizing how I'm doing it my way. If I'm so trash, why don't y'all release your
40 minutes
videos on a
fucking news
Friday?
update.
I know.
Comparing our numbers, you cook
This
like
bullshit ad?
pussy like wide legs. You only get views if you say my name. Angry, I'm famous and not a great rapper. You been working super. I don't have to rap fast to impress all my fans. I am a superstar. Man, I'm built for this. I kill for this.
I got one shot over
I need a couple more hills and some stilts for this. Hey, there ain't nobody around. The top of the mountain, I scream and I shout. Nobody up here but me is allowed. The VIP section is deep in the clouds. Go ahead and call me clowns. I cannot hear the sky is my ground. Even I have to reach the summit. I won't see you coming. I don't look down.
two over back
If
by
I
my
stepped on glass and my
back
feet on
corner.
fire, my toes turn black and my shoes melt off and my
Going up
bones
by
touch ground, I
Sniper's
will not
Dome.
look back. I cannot look down. I don't care about how hard it gets. I gotta be the fire in the dark. I gotta be the heart inside an iron chest. If they're sleeping on me, I ain't trying to rest. Hope they die in their sleep. Well, I climb to the peak and their eyes never see all the heights that I reach. I deserve it.
Two over right mark.
The moon on my diagram inside the eye like a view. I'm higher than planets that ever person.
Where are you, bud?
Your bodies are burning. The oxygen needed for life is rare. When I hold my breath until I'm turning purple. All my life, all you did was doubt. And now I success is coming down. I wish I could see him put you in the ground, but as bad as I want to, I'll never look down.
One up by rocket spawn.
You don't get it still.
Hit him.
I am the one.
Rocket guys down.
You don't have to admit it to yourself. You don't have to admit it. You don't have to tell me.
Shot him at the North Ridge.
Ah, I shot him twice.
Okay, one hit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I fucking did. That's my bad.
Please keep on talking. I am a fucking superstar.
One shot down low. Might be up. Punch the guy.
Holy. Yeah. That was fire.
I can't hide my frown, my smile is hiding from my mouth. I can't lie, my mind keeps finding time to fight myself. I dive so deep inside, feel like I died and I'm in hell. Or I'm so
be able to get him,
high, I
OG.
can see the ground beneath the clouds.
Alright, I was watching Rockets. You know there's a guy down there.
Yeah, there's another one here following us up.
This guy was sniper back on my head.
Cries for help, science rise until I'm upside down, I won't look down. This a meteoric rise, keep it going. All the horror stories like so-and-so got way too famous and ended up killing himself with some pills and a knife. Hey, gonna say
Wow.
struck, got it in the mud. I can way too far to fail or screw it up. I ain't dropping balls, I just blew them up. Hey, I will never let my mental illness be the cause of my downfall.
Oh no!
None of my fans, if I did it would sound wrong. I will never try convincing you dummies to sit in the
I
town
had two of them down in one shot, man.
Just look around.
I already been
All of my demons are here. All I can feel is fear. All I can do is keep being myself, and that's what I've been doing for 32 years. All of my haters came out, chasing my name for some clout. What are they angry about? They're climbing as high as their ladders can take them and screaming my name, but I don't look down. White guys, remember me? I'm the white guy. Everybody wanted to cancel. Nice try. Too sick, I might die right. Too face full of middle fingers, I got too rich for a drive-by. Get a pilot on my private jet. I'm going to a flyby. Take 9 nights on a bike. Cause I heard that a pussy has 9 lives. I'm the one that y'all hated. I'm the one who won the game, got paid and famous. I'm the one who laughed in all their faces and became the greatest since Olsen Shady. I'm the one who don't care. I'm the one
They
who
were
don't
watching
swear.
it
No
too.
one goes to share. I'm the one who don't vote when the vote don't float. My throat gets no air. I can barely breathe. All the air I need. Oxygen is very good at the top. I can barely sleep. Stars I'm underneath. Shining too bright and I can't turn them off. I'm high as the birds now. Flying too close to the sun, gotta burn. Wow, I've been turning up and I ain't turning down. Maybe I should chill, but I ain't learning how. Hey, I'm not afraid of success. I'm afraid of what happens if I take a rest. I'm afraid that I'll end up where I was before in the hole with no money or food for the rent. I'm scared.
Another one sniper spawn. 2 more sniper spawn.
I'm scared of the altitude up in the clouds.
Weak down low.
I don't look down. Fuck you. Every single motherfucking one of you.
Oh, there's 2 weak over by Steve.
Oh shit.
I can't hide my tears, I dry my eyes and won't go out. I can't hide fear is suicide, not bank accounts. Keep my chin up, but my head weighs like 1,000,000 pounds. Feels like my neck might break, hear it crack, ignore the sound. Don't look down. Don't look down. I tried to keep it quiet, silence all my cries for help. As long as I am rising till I'm upside down, I won't look down. This is legendary climb, stand on the edge of the legendary high. Think of the men who are dead, cause it got to their head at a cemetery time. I ain't the one who gon' throw it away, cause I'm feeling too lonely up here. I ain't the guy who gon' break from the pressure, it's snowing, my pipes are not frozen up here. I don't wanna hear about these YouTube rappers. I am not in that bracket, punk. Billboard tracks, I'm stacking my mansion, $1 million cash.
There's a bunch over where I marked one.
Trash without produce antics. Got attacking with plastic, dog. I'm the biggest independent rapper in the fucking world. You just live on my planet, punk. Got an acid tongue and massive lungs. Every single track you've done is pack the punch. Used to be an addict, yup. I crashed a truck in Canada. Going too fast, blackout drunk. I was nice at the start, but the mood all changed. The reactors who trash me for views are lame. Don't ask me to help you remove no claims. I see you punks, you go lose. I am the one who they all call a liar. When I told them that I'd help them retire, they thought that I'd buy a new crib and a chain and a ring and a whip and some rims for the tires. Guess what? Mom don't work. Sent $100,000 in an LP purse. Made an album with Nova and Brandon. They own half the masters. I told them the band comes first. Still got the
Drive that out of rocket.
combat the depression and the panic attack. Don't even take a Tylenol. Even when
I'm
I
down
got
there
knives in my
with
back.
you,
They call me
shit.
whack, but I don't react. I don't have time to write raps. I'm flying to trash. All me, the whole team, yeah, they trying to cap me concrete, but my demons hide in the cracks. I'm the one. I ain't my liquor for months, and you're lucky I'm sober. I'm nuts when I'm drunk. Mix the whiskey with soda. The man I become would invite you all over. Put drugs in your punch. When you pass it, I'll wrap you in plastic and hit you with hammers and black. Your struggle is crushed. I don't name names. I don't play games. I just aim, spray, and throw the gun. The rappers who hate act like family now. They try to jack
There's
my
3
style
where I
like
think
handy-dance. They
that.
want $1 million views. I want a Grammy now. The closest they'll come is they Grammy's house. I don't even drink, but I'm planning out. Make a brewery in a massive house to get free booze out. Just rapping times and they can die using that to watch it. I'm the most successful guy to hold a piece. I was great for so long. I'm bored of flexing. I became a machine made of iron. Check inside, peel the skin off and let the metal shine. I've been the greatest for so fucking long. It feels normal for me to
One shot on my head.
so much power
Behind you
the
guys.
souls of these rappers that sold them for cash to the devil. Why is everybody always talking shit? Criticizing how I'm doing it my way. If I'm so trash, why don't y'all release the videos on a Friday? That's my day.
Did you?
Comparing our numbers, you took us
Maybe I'll get
to
some
my
audio.
I didn't feel like talking.
Rolling confused
My
if you
bad.
say my name. Andrew
Oh, you get it.
Anderson, not a great rapper, and you've been working stupid hard. I don't have to rap fast to impress all my fans. I am a superstar!